Okay, so we got the 4 shops, and we have all this kind of interesting stuff down there too. So we're just gonna go check it all out and show you what it's all about. Now because they're doing a lot of construction down there right now. And we're also on the Cotai Strip. There's Venetian, there's Londoner over there. And this Four Seasons is basically between the Londoner. There's a big thing in here that we're gonna show you in a minute. And then the Venetian is right here, Parisian, and then this is kind of like this big shopping area right in the space, in that space. It's kind of cool because you got these little things too, this little thing, and there was one there too, I think it's blocked. Anyways, let's go check it all out. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. So here we are at the Four Seasons, and I'd be pretty tempted to walk around and show you all that stuff down there, but there's a lot of construction. So you can see all the construction here. It's kind of blocked off. There's these walls right here. We could go up in there a little bit, but even that's kind of blocked off too. So they kind of, they're doing a lot of something or another right there, but all of this is the Four Seasons. There's a big Chanel sign, and there you go, shops at Four Seasons. So we're gonna walk in, and there's a Parisian over there, Londoner. So 4 shops is between these casinos, and the Venetian is right there too. So the 4 shops is between all of them. And as soon as we go inside, you're gonna see stuff like the Londoners that way. There's Londoner phone booths. There's Londoner pub. And we're just gonna walk through the Four Seasons. Here's another little Londoner thing. So yeah, Four Seasons is all these shops in the middle. That's gonna be the future Londoner. I guess they're gonna build a Big Ben, things like that. 4 hotels. Okay, let's go on into the shops at the Four Seasons and check it all out. So yeah, there's tons of shops over here, everywhere. That's kind of cool. Okay, so I think I have been in here a few times, and I've kind of walked different directions. I think this time we're gonna walk. Usually I walk between the Londoner and the Venetian, but today I'm gonna walk to the Londoner direction. Maybe it'll be a little bit different. Some nice mascots everywhere. So yeah, that direction goes to the Parisian, and you can also see all these shops in here and things like that too, right? Models on the billboards. Kind of quiet. So it's a bit quiet in this one. It's a nice transition space, and then a lot of these same shops, I think that they're in the other casinos too. Not 100% sure. Sometimes other people know more than me. So now we're going to be walking towards the Parisian. So I'll kind of keep going a little bit towards the Parisian, and then I'll probably do a separate video just on the Parisian itself. Oh no, we got some more music. So I think what I'll do is go in a little bit. There's a Londoner over there. We'll turn this off for now, and then we'll come back later and do more of the 4 shops within the shopping area. There we go. Okay, we'll be right back, and you can see a lot more of the 4 shops. Okay, we're coming out of the Parisian now. We did a separate video for that one. Now we're coming back into the Four Seasons, and I've started it again to turn on the camera, and then we're going to start walking towards the Venetian. Get a little taste of this one. If you see any stores you like, just let me know. Maybe it'll be interesting. I might explore a little bit more about them. I'm not that interested in stores, so I don't really follow them very closely, but some people are. It's kind of a cool looking place right there. We're going to be going up. Okay. So this is all part of the let's kind of take a look down here real quick. See how that looks nice. Okay. So we're kind of in between, and this is called the Four Seasons. Shop to the Four Seasons, right? It's nice in here. It's funny because I usually just go between the casinos, so I haven't really explored those other floors at all. Looks like you can see some people in that little area. Lots of like way down there, there's like other. Okay, let's keep on going. Todd's. Maxmara. Penhalagons. So yeah, this is the taste of Macau. I think people really like the shopping and all the different stuff like that, so that's a little perfume. Off-White is the name of that place. Toryberg. And now we're coming into the Venetian right over here. So we'll kind of walk in a little bit towards the Venetian. And then we'll end this video. So yeah, Four Shops is it's actually has the closest access to the Venetian. The other two you have to walk down a long corridor, but it kind of starts right here. The Venetian is arguably the most popular of the three. And here we are at the Venetian. Okay, so that was the Four Shops, and it comes out at this area of the Venetian right here. Okay, so hope you like that one. Chiquinha, chiquinha.